let's go to Baltimore now.
Starbucks.
Never seen a Starbucks coffee truck.
In all the bad times. We always try to find cool things to see along the way, and on our way to Baltimore we found this really cool sculpture exhibit called Grounds for Sculpture.
Sometimes, 'cause I like it when you're away, 'cause I like it when you're away. Want to know if I'm wrong. I really like it when you're away, 'cause I don't know why it's feeling so weird, like you're away, but now when you're here, I really like it when you're away, 'cause I don't know why it's feeling so weird, like you're away, but now when you're here, I really like it when you're away,
Boom! Oh wait, it's not Baltimore, it's Pennsylvania. This is a line to take a picture with Rocky Balboa. So where are we going now? How was it, kiddo? Good morning, world. It was really nice to sleep in the car. Pretty comfy. I was sleeping on the Maryland house rest area, half an hour from Baltimore.
We're in Baltimore, finally! After a long night sleeping in the car and suffering through a fight at Waffle House, we finally made it.
Ta-da!
want to see you sometimes, 'cause I like it when you're away, 'cause I like it when you're away. Want to know if I'm wrong. I really like it when you're away, 'cause I don't.
Definitely one of the best museums. It's so pretty.
Oh, kiddo, do you think that should be enough? There you go. Get him, girl. How much though?
You did.
Okay. It is day 3. And we're going to Lancaster, Pennsylvania.
Over 300,000 passengers a year and more freight than ever before, making the Strasburg Railroad one of Lancaster County's top tourist destinations.
May I have your ticket? Thank you, ma'am. Enjoy your ride. Welcome to Pittsburgh.
Lancaster County is one of the largest Amish communities in the US, and it was really cool to see their way of life and just to see Amish people in general in their buggies riding past you really slowly. Just to respect them, you usually shouldn't take photos of them.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks guys again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And stay tuned for our next video. New York City! Just kidding. I'm excited. I just live in New York, so it doesn't sound like I am. But thanks guys!